Urban data science is a fundamental component of the knowledge portfolio that modern-day municipalities, companies and citizens must have. This is why, in the context of Crowd Insights, we have organized an Urban Data Science Bootcamp to train the next wave of urban data scientists.
The Urban Data Science Bootcamp is an introductory course that proposes the foundations of data analytics in the context of cities. It offers the basics in terms of methodologies and techniques that one can use for understanding the behavior and dynamics of our urban environments.
I always think of data as an abstract term, and I never really know what it means. And now I learned what it actually is, data, and what you can do with it. So I also learned that I actually knew a lot more about data science than I thought.
The first edition of the Urban Data Science Bootcamp took place in two different cities, Milan and Amsterdam, and involved around 40 participants. All of them were professionals working in municipalities, research institutes and companies.
In the bootcamp, we organized multiple co-creation sessions to work together from different perspectives into the problem that modern city faces, but also in how urban data can be part of their solution.
So we run 2 hands-on sessions with the participants. On the first day, they had a workshop on finding problems connected to their cities. And on the second day, thanks to what they learned over the course, they managed to put this into practice to find the solutions to solve the problems connected to the smart cities.
What I really liked about the co-creation sessions is that there were a few technical people in my group, and it gave a lot of input that, and I really enjoyed that, and it was an unexpected experience.
The course gave me new insights on how to use new data sources and new methods for mapping and analyzing urban dynamics.
This course is a very good way to learn about data and how data can help you solve day-to-day problems in a busy city life. It's a very good and interesting course.